Yeah. There's the clock which says 6 o'clock. And let's start with our lecture. Okay. Question number 5. Till question number 4 it's over. We are on to question number 5. Question number 5 says, it's exercise 1.1, page number 5 of your textbook. Question 5. Question number 4 again. What happened in question number 4, beta? Question number 4. Anita is allowed 6.5% commission on the total sales made by her, plus bonus of 0.5% on the sales over 20,000. There's a problem of only you, Rina. Anybody else having problem? So that I can explain at the end of the lecture. Okay, Rina? I'll do that at the end of the lecture. Question 4, I'll explain you at the end. So, question 5, so that we don't waste time of everyone. Those who are interested at the end, I'll say those who are interested will stay login and we'll discuss that. Priya gets a similar sum here again also. Question number 5. Priya gets salary of rupees 15,000 per month. Priya is getting salary of 15,000 per month and a commission. And she is getting commission also as well. So salary plus commission. Okay. Commission is how much? 8% on sales over 50,000. The student, sales over 50,000. How do you write the sales over 50,000? Yesterday we discussed it. Sales over 50,000. Mathematically, how do you write? Sales over 50,000. Sales minus 50,000. And better you put it in bracket. Okay. If she gets 17,400 in a certain month, find the sales made by her in that month. Okay. So how much she is getting? She is getting 15,000 per month plus commission. Commission is how much? 8% on sales over 15,000. So Priya is earning. Answer. Answer. Income of Priya, the income is equal to Priya's income will be is equal to how much? What will be it? क्या मिल रहा है उसको? Yes, S plus C. Salary she is getting plus she is getting commission. All of you agree with this sentence or this equation? Income of Priya is equal to salary plus commission, and commission means plus commission. Clear? Clear this much? Now further, can I say income is equal to salary as it is, and how much commission she is going to receive? Plus commission. Formula for commission. Commission is 8% on what? Sales over 50,000. How do you write sales over 50,000? In bracket, sales minus 50,000. Agreed? Agreed, dear student? Sales minus 50,000. Hello? Sales minus 50,000 into how much? Into how much? Into how much? 8%. How do you write 8%? 8 upon 100. Now out of this equation, do you know income? Do you know income? Yes or no? Do you know Priya's income? Yes, which is 17,500. Do you know salary of Priya? Income we know. Salary we know. Sales we don't know. Other is constant. So what is not known to us? क्या हमको पता नहीं है? हमको sales पता नहीं है. So let that word sales be as it is, or you can make it as X. I will make it as X. So let me say now, let sales be X. You may write the sentence at the top, you may write the sentence at the third point, no problem in that. Let sales be X. Let sales be X. Okay, so next what? Income. What is income? How much is the income? Income is 17,400 is equal to 17,400 17,400 is equal to how much is the salary? 17,400. Salary is how much? Salary is 15,000 plus sales we have assumed it to be X. So X minus 50,000 into 8 upon 100. Now dear student, can you solve this? Problem with voice, audio problem? Is there audio problem? Yash is saying voice is breaking. What about others? Voice is breaking. So anyway, some of them are saying yes. So I'll just reconnect it. I hope it will be clear. Because I reconnected. At my end, it is showing everything clear. No problem whatsoever. Okay, let's continue for the solving of this. Let that 15,000 shift on this side. So what it will be? 17,400 minus 15,000 is equal to X multiplied by 8 upon 100. So it will be 8x upon 100. Agreed? 8x upon 100 minus 50,000 into 8 upon 100. Clear? Clear? Yes. Parth is giving the final answer. Hazal is also giving me the final answer. Clear? Any doubt? Any doubt? Okay. Now further, 17,400 minus 15,000 will give you 2,400. Agreed? Subtraction is equal to 8x upon 100 minus, let us do calculation here, 0, 0 got cancelled. So 500 into 8, 500 into 8, 8 5s are 40 and 2 more zeros. Now this 4,000 will shift on the other side and will become plus. So 2,400 plus 4,000 will become how much? 6,400. 6,400 is equal to 8x upon 100. 100 goes on that side and that 8. So it will be now 64.
पढ़ाई के लिए मेहनत तो सब करते हैं, लेकिन स्मार्ट स्टडी कौन करता है? प्री एग्जाम ऐप के साथ बनाइए अपनी तैयारी सुपर स्मार्ट। प्री एग्जाम ऐप देता है वाइड रेंज के एग्जाम्स की तैयारी, जैसे जी, नीट, कैट, सीए फाउंडेशन, सीएस सीट, बैंकिंग, रेलवे, एसएससी एमबीए एंट्रेंस, SYJC कॉम, TYB कॉम और भी बहुत कुछ। चैप्टर वाइज टेस्ट्स एंड मॉक टेस्ट्स, डिटेल्ड परफॉर्मेंस एनालिसिस, और अब तैयारी होगी एकदम परफेक्ट। कहीं भी कभी भी पढ़ाई करें, और एक विशाल क्वेश्चन बैंक आपकी तैयारी को बनाए आसान। इंस्टेंट इवैल्यूएशन से तुरंत जानिए अपनी परफॉर्मेंस और पाएं पर्सनलाइज्ड फीडबैक। तो अब देरी किस बात की? प्री एग्जाम ऐप डाउनलोड करें और अपने नाम से रजिस्टर्ड करें, और एक विशाल क्वेश्चन बैंक बिल्कुल फ्री, और अपनी सफलता की कहानी लिखें। लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है। प्री एग्जाम ऐप स्मार्ट तैयारी का साथी।
6400 into 100 upon 8 is equal to x. 8 ones are 8, 8 eights are 64, 800 into 100, 800 into 100 will be 80,000 is equal to x. What was our x? 80,000. Okay, fine. I never noticed. I thought you were giving 80,000. Sales. What is our assumption? Let sales be x. So x will get 80,000. What the question is asking us? Find sales made by her. So sales made by Priya is rupees. Sales made by Priya is rupees 80,000 in that month. So let us write the final answer. Sales made by Priya. Sales made by Priya. Yeah. Prakriti. Yes. Say this. Prakriti and Yash. Once it's over, let me know. Nidhi. Okay. So sales made by Priya is, don't forget to write this rupees sign. Rupees 80,000 in that month, or you just say 80,000 will do. Sales made by Priya is rupees 80,000 in that month. In exam, you will use scale and you will draw this box. Once done, let me know. And dear students, keep participating. Dhruv. Hello, Dhruv. Okay, let's move further. Yes, keep participating, Dhruv. I check you are there. Okay. And your doubt you can ask me after 8:15 lecture. Yesterday I was waiting. Chalo, question number 6. The income of a broker remains unchanged. The income of a broker remains unchanged, though the rate of commission is increased from 4% to 5%. Okay. The income of broker means commission. The commission remains unchanged. Dear student, what do you mean by unchanged? No change means in mathematical, what do we say? Mathematical symbol. Same means mathematically equal. Okay. Though the commission is increased, the rate of commission is increased from 4% to 5%. Commission rate is increased. Earlier it was 4%. Now it is 5%. Okay. Find the percentage. What do you have to find out? The percentage. You want to find out percentage. Find the percentage reduction in the value of business. Now listen carefully what I am saying. What do you have to find out? Percentage. You have to find out percentage. When you want to find out anything in percent form, better assumption is 100. Though it is not compulsory. 100 is a better assumption if you want to find out something in percent form. What do you want to find out? Find the percentage. Okay. This sum again I'll be solving by two methods. Once by taking 100 as an assumption, and the second by not taking 100. Something else will take assumption and will solve. Both the cases will get the same answer, but with 100 the calculation becomes easier. So what is better assumption? Whenever you want to find out something in percent form, better assumption is 100. I'll give a note at the end for you. Okay. In the exam you don't have to write. A personal note I'll give you. Whenever you want to find out something in percent form, it is better to assume it to be 100. Okay. So let's start the sum. Let's start the sum. Okay. Let initial sales be 100. Let initial sales be 100. Sir, why 100? That is what I said. Whenever it is percent, it always better to have 100. Okay, I'll change the color of the pen and I'll write here itself. Let me write here. When it is percent, better to assume hundred. In exam, you will not write this. When it is percent, better to assume 100. Can I do it without 100? Without assumption 100? Answer is yes. I can assume 500, I can assume 300, I can assume 200, and still I'll get the same answer. But with 100, it becomes easier. So let initial sales be 100. Therefore, what is the commission? Initial commission percentage. Therefore, initial commission, starting commission, initial commission is equal to sales multiplied by what is the earlier percentage? What is the earlier percentage? 4. So what will write here? 4 upon 100. 4 upon 100. What is sales? What we have assumed? Let initial sales be 100. So 100 into 4 upon 100. 100 gets cancelled. This is what happens. That is the reason you should take 100. Easy cancellation hota hai. 100 got cancelled and the answer is 4. What is 4? What is 4? Commission. But which commission? Which commission, dear student? 4 is commission. 100 got cancelled. 4 is commission. Initial commission is rupees 4. Now what happens is the sale afterwards also, when the commission rate is increased to 5%, is the sales still 100? बाद में भी sales 100 ही रहेगा? या reduce हुआ रहेगा या increase हुआ रहेगा? What do you think? Initial sales was 100. Later on, the commission percentage becomes 5. And still it remains same. तो increase होगा या decrease होगा? Reduce हुआ रहेगा. It will reduce, not increase. As well, the sales will be reduced. We don't know how much it is, but definitely it will reduce. If sales reduce, what is increase? What is increase? Rate is increased. Sales will reduce. That will make it equal. So let new sales be X. Here we take it as X. Old sale is 100.